Today's video, I show you guys how to unlock settings, fix common bugs, and customize NFS Underground 2 like never before using the extra options mod. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the download option, and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds, select the download now option and check my video description for the second site link, select the download option and download this both of x86 and x64 and select download. Check my video description for this third mod link. Select the download option. Wait for this 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the Windows 10 fix. Just WinRAR and open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here and right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Open depends on the game. This is for European and this is USA. Just drag and drop the exe file inside of a game folder and say replace the file the destination and say continue. Go back to WinRAR. Just go back and open this NSU2 V500 and just drag and drop this scripts and then put 8.dll inside of a game folder. Replace the file the destination and select do this and select continue. And then just go back, close stuff here and open up File Explorer, downloads, open this VCD dist, select the repair option. If you have install option, then install the program. After the installation done, select close and x86 has been doesn't downloaded, so check mark the x86 and select download option. After the download done, click on it. Select the repair option and select yes. After the setup successful, just close stuff here and launch the game. This mod does not replace the game, it enhances it, fixes modern Windows issues. It's one of the most essential mods for playing NFS Underground 2 in 2026. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.